Good day, sir.
Today we are here to show you how to install and configure the Windows Server 2012 R2 in VirtualBox machine.
We will download the Windows Server 2012 R2. Now we'll go to the browser and search for the Windows Server 2012 R2 to download. Choose the first link. Then before downloading, choose the proper system type that is aligned with your computer. For this computer, we'll choose the 64-bit edition. Then we start downloading.
So now we are going to add a new virtual machine. Click new. Then we are going to name it Windows Server 2012 R2. And then click next. And we are going to leave it as it is. Next. And then we are going to leave it as it is again. And then click finish. Go to settings and go to the advanced tab and change the shared clipboard into bidirectional and also the drag and drop to bidirectional for us to copy resources from our Windows to this virtual box machine. And go to the system and under the chipset change it into ICH9 and the pointing device into PS/2 mouse. And go to the processor, change the processors into 2 and go to the storage. In the empty disk, set the optical drive and look for the ISO file you have downloaded. Click OK.
Click Start. And wait for the virtual machine to open up. And after that, the windows will pop up, and now we can install the Windows Server 2012. Next, and install now. And we're going to choose the Windows Server 2012 R2 standard version and click next. And check the I accept license term and next. And choose the custom install Windows only. And after that, click next. And wait for the installation of Windows Server in virtual machine. Go to input and go to keyboard and click the insert alt delete. Insert control alt delete. Now,
Now let's click the Tools and look for the Internet Information Services Manager.
right-click the administrator, click yes, and right-click the administrator, add website, and input the site name of our website. We will going to use the textbook and look for the physical path of our website. And right here, we will go into the network sharing center of our Windows Server 2012 R2. Let's search it and change the adapter settings. Right-click the Ethernet and in the properties, let's configure the IPv4. IPv4. Click Advanced and add the IP address that your website will going to use. You will going to use the 192.168.0.20 IP address. Click Add and OK. Okay, let's close this one. So this one, close this one. And back to our Add Website panel. Let's put the IP address we input in our network sharing center, which is 192.168.0.20, and the port will be 80, and we will also need to input the host name, which is we will going to use www.textbook.com, and let's sure to uncheck the start website immediately and then click OK. And then expand the administrator and also the sites and click the textbook, right click it and then manage website and then click start. Going back to our server manager, let's click the DNS and right click the server name or in here is the administrator. Click DNS manager and in the forward lookup zones, right click it and create a new zone, and then a new zone wizard will pop out. Click next and then next, next, and in here we're going to put the zone name or we can just use the name of our website. Click next, next, and then click finish. And expand the forward lookup zone and right click the textbook, create a new host, and here we're going to input the domain we used, which is www, and the IP address of our website, which is 192.168.0.20, and then add host. Click OK and then done. Back to our server manager, let's go to our IIS, right click the administrator and click the Internet Information Manager and then go to the directory browsing, open feature, and then enable it. And now we can now try to access our website. Go to our browser, and type the IP address of our website. Click enter. And there we have it. We have already accessed the website we created in the web server, which is the textbook. That would be all.